Feel the ground beneath our feet, steps align where strangers meet. In the city full of motion, waves surround a vast ocean. Winding streets and shifting views, passing faces, paths to choose. Threads of moments we can't see, guiding us where we're meant to be. Stories rise in quiet tone, fragments shared yet left unknown. Voices linger in the air, traces found everywhere. Paths entwined and drift apart, feeling echoes in the heart. Hints of what has been left behind, in silent spaces minds unwind. Step by step we're moving free, bound together you and me. Every beat feels alive, guiding us as we revive. Gravity bound, pulling close, through the rush we find repose. In the space within the sound, our voices blend, tightly wound. Gravity bound, feeling true, in the noise I see you too. Quiet pulses, breathing slow, in the crowd we let it flow. Eyes connect under city signs, colors merge, crossing lines. Moments drift like gentle streams, carrying soft and vivid scenes. Across the city's concrete floor, we're strangers here, but something more. In the depth of crowded sound, an unspoken truth is found. In this pulse on edge we sway, bound to what we cannot say. A fleeting glance, a shared refrain, two lives join along this lane. Holding close we spin around, in this vast magnetic ground. Hands like anchors drawing near, in the hum the world unclear. Let's stay here, in this flow, in each heartbeat we let it grow. Where time and place blur and blend, a steady current end to end. Gravity bound, pulling close, through the rush we find repose. In the space within the sound, our voices blend, tightly wound. Gravity bound, feeling true, in the noise I see you too. Quiet pulses, breathing slow, in the crowd we let it flow. Of time and sound will stay as one, gravity bound. Past the cross and intertwined, drawn together line by line. Gravity bound, in this place we find a pulse unbroken, two souls aligned. Bound to stay in silent call, united strong through rise and fall. In the threads of time and sound, we'll stay as one, gravity bound. Past the cross and intertwine, drawn together line by line. Gravity bound, in this place we find a pulse unbroken, two souls aligned. Bound to stay in a silent call, united strong through rise and fall. Beneath our feet, steps align where strangers meet. In the city full of motion, waves surround a vast ocean. Winding streets and shifting views, passing faces, paths to choose. Threads of moments we can't see, guiding us where we're meant to be. Stories rise in quiet tone, fragments shared yet left unknown. Voices linger in the air, traces found everywhere. Paths entwined and drift apart, feeling echoes in the heart. Hints of what has been left behind, in silent spaces minds unwind. Step by step we're moving free, bound together you and me.